Oh yeah, it worked. It's called Island Henny. It got double Hennessy in it. Why? I don't know. Ice! We can start off with my boy, Island Punch Pucker. This is one of the prettiest colors in all of alcohol, okay? When you get a nice little light mix on this, look at that, man. Come on, come on. If you meet a woman who look like this, or a guy who look like this, you leave your partner. I love you, but it's a beautiful blue. Okay, now we coming behind this with some blue curacao, some of mine. Now this a heavier blue, but we can create a nice little contrast, a nice little gradient. I ain't gonna go too heavy with it. Now, homeboy, let's get a little mix going. Got my glass. Come behind that with a little bit of ice. Now, we coming behind that with some coconut rum. Tipsy Bartender's finest. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, guys, I have a liquor coming. Maybe it's already here when you're watching this. I don't know. If it is, you in the future, you's a badass. Okay, pineapple juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the comments below, you could tell me what kind of booze I should come out with. But what I really care about is what color do you think it should be? What color signifies Tipsy Bartender? I know what it is, but let's see how well you know this show. Remember stuff to squeeze this. There's only one color we could go with, and you all know what that color is, right? Lime juice. Give this a nut. Oh, Lord. Now, well, check this out. You hit like so. And now we come in. And we just let that drizzle off. There's a reason why I go in slow, because I'm using this ice as my layering tool. So this ice is acting as my spoon. Look how foamy that is. Now, homeboy. Now we come behind that with a little bit of Hennessy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now you come behind that, homeboy. We can end this party with a little mini Hennessy, okay? Oh yeah, it worked. And now, guys, you come over with a little cherry to finish her off, you know, add a little color to the party. And there you have it, Island Henny. Delicious, fun, easy, okay? A lot of different colors running through there. I love that, man. Whenever something colorful, you know it's all about me, okay? Good to go. And it has double Henny. So we put on a layer of Henny and then we add in a mini Henny. But Sky, couldn't we just pour on a ton of Henny without the mini Henny? You're too intelligent for the show. Go someplace else, okay? We're here to have fun, not to ask a bunch of scientific questions, okay? Einstein. All right, drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy.